In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set ClickUp notification settings. Managing notifications effectively is key to staying organized and avoiding unnecessary distractions while working in ClickUp, a powerful productivity and project management tool. With so many ways to stay updated, it's important to customize your settings so you only receive the alerts that matter most. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear system in place for managing notifications across email, mobile browser, and integrated platforms like Slack. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to www.clickup.com. Once you're there, sign into your ClickUp account using your preferred method, like your email address or a connected provider. Once you've logged in, locate your profile avatar in the top right corner of your ClickUp homepage. Click on it to open the account menu. From the options that appear, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can make adjustments to your account preferences. Now look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Notifications. This is where we'll be customizing how and when you receive alerts. Let's start with the Inbox section. Here, you can review the different categories of notifications. Adjust these so that ClickUp highlights only the most important updates for you, such as assignments and mentions. This is a great way to filter out less critical updates and keep your inbox focused on what truly matters. Next, head to the email section. Here, you can manage the frequency and type of email notifications you receive. If you'd like to streamline these, consider reducing email alerts to only cover assignments, mentions, and status changes. This ensures you're notified about key updates without feeling overwhelmed by excessive emails. Moving on to browser notifications, this section allows you to enable or disable pop-up alerts directly in your web browser. Take a moment to decide whether you want these real-time updates turned on or off based on your personal preference for staying in the loop. Now, let's talk about mobile notifications. If you're someone who switches between desktop and mobile often, you might want to enable the option that says, "Don't send mobile notifications when I'm active on desktop or browser." This prevents duplicate notifications and keeps things streamlined across your devices. For those of you using Slack as part of your workflow, head to the Integrations section. Here you can connect your Slack account to ClickUp. Once connected, you can sync specific spaces, folders, or lists to receive targeted updates directly in Slack. This is a great way to stay informed without leaving your team communication platform. Lastly, navigate to General Settings. Here, you'll see an option called Auto Follow Tasks I am involved in. Review this setting and adjust it based on whether you want to automatically follow task threads you're part of. This helps manage the number of notifications you receive about task activity. Once you've made all your adjustments, don't forget to save your changes. Finally, exit the Settings menu, and you're done. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and start customizing your workflow. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.